Whether you vlog or video make, the best laptops for video editing will get the job done fast, on location or at home. The best laptops for video editing mean that you won't have to worry about the rendering and all that. But with so many laptop variations out there, which ones are the best for your video editing needs? I've rounded up a selection of choices that include potent processor power, plenty of RAM memory, and good quality, high-resolution screens, of course. These important features are essential for choosing the best laptops for video editing. Before we start, let me know what laptop you're currently using and why are you looking for a new laptop. And also, to see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these laptops, you can check out the links in the description below. First, starting the list with the one that is known for the best 4K edits, the Dell XPS 15. The Dell XPS 15, which is made in 2021, continues the XPS line's tradition of being an excellent video editing tool, as well as one of the best Dell laptops out there. While it doesn't stray too far from its predecessor, it's a performance machine in a portable package. With up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Titan, you should be able to handle most of your creative work without breaking a sweat. And though it can handle some gaming, it is admittedly a bit underpowered compared to some of the competition. But it comes with a gorgeous display, great battery life, and a price that makes this probably the best mid-range option out there. The XPS 15 is like the climbers at my local bouldering gym. It may look lean on the outside, but any problem can be solved when the muscles are flexed. On the XPS 15, those muscles are a Core i7-11800H CPU with a 16GB of RAM. Powerful components that shrugged when I opened 35 Google Chrome tabs, 4 of which played 1080p YouTube videos. I then streamed a sports game without experiencing a hint of a lag. Ultra portable by day, gaming rig by night. With its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Titan GPU, the XPS 15 can double as a gaming laptop as long as you don't need to play at 4K on Ultra. XPS 15's battery life is still solid for a laptop of its size and performance, and it should be enough to make it through a work or schooling day without charging. Second, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch, which is made in 2019 for those that want to edit using Final Cut Pro. Right now, the 13-inch MacBook Pro M1 is the latest Pro and is known for its stunning performance and efficiency. However, it's only available with a 13-inch screen, and its max 16GB RAM could be limiting for 4K video editing. I reckon the slightly older but still current 16-inch MacBook Pro is better suited for serious video work. It can be spec'd with anything up to a 9th generation octa-core Intel Core i9 processor, a whopping 64GB of RAM, and Radeon Pro 5500M graphics. But even an entry-level 16-inch MacBook Pro should keep you going whether you're working through large edits or complex After Effects projects. The 16-inch MacBook Pro costs more than twice as much as the Air, and it's worth that investment only if you're editing huge photos and videos, connecting to multiple high-resolution 4K or 5K monitors, or working with 3D drafting software. But it hasn't been updated with an Apple processor yet, so it's a more complicated recommendation than it used to be. This laptop is still a good choice if you need an expansive 16-inch screen, if you need to run Windows apps on your Mac and need the fastest Intel processors you can get in a MacBook, or if you need a laptop that can be used with as many as 4 external 4K monitors. If you need more power, you can get an 8-core processor, faster graphics, and as much as 64GB of memory in this model, 4 times as much as the Air or the M1 version of the 13-inch Pro. A larger battery means the longer battery life, and Apple says the MacBook Pro's extra 16 watt-hours in the massive 100 watt-hour battery should give an extra hour of usable life. Apple usually aims for 10 hours battery life, but claims up to 11 hours for this model. Of course, if you use it for video editing and audio or heavy graphics, you will be plugging in a lot sooner, as you would with any high-end laptop. Third on the list for the best showcasing 4K content, we have the Razer Blade 15 Advanced Gaming, which is made in 2021. Build a better laptop and the gamers will be the path to your door. With the latest version of the Blade 15 Advanced model, Razer hasn't made the perfect laptop, but it's getting awfully close. Packing a 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU, the Blade 15 serves up tons of power in its 4.6-pound, 0.7-inch chassis. Now powered by NVIDIA Ampere and Intel 10th generation processors, the Razer Blade 15 is more powerful than ever and is finally able to actually power the 4K screen that the top-end option features in-game. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 in the model we're looking at here is the perfect pairing for the 4K display, and this laptop shows that 4K gaming laptops might actually start having a reason to actually exist. When it comes to the design and build quality of Razer laptops, there's a lot to praise and very little to complain about. My cons list is short. The matte black finish is a horrendous fingerprint magnet, and it's an only color option unless you want to spend more on the Studio Edition. Razer Blade 15 lasts just 6 hours and 16 minutes. It's really a shame because otherwise this laptop is a great choice for carrying around with you on the go. Now, 6 hours of battery life isn't the worst thing in the world. You're still going to be able to get through plenty of work before the laptop dies on you. But when compared with similar devices, it's still less than we'd like to see. On the 4th spot, we have something from Lenovo, the Lenovo Legion 5. The Lenovo Legion 5 is excellent if you're looking for a laptop with a powerful CPU, a decent GPU for the occasional content creating, and a good and accurate screen. This one here checks all those boxes and has some great other features too. With its high QHD resolution and 165Hz refresh rate, the matte display in the 16:10 format is very well suited for gaming and video editing. In addition, the display panel supports adaptive sync. When it comes to gaming performance from a laptop, there are two main areas to consider. Obviously, and here the Legion 5 absolutely shines. The GeForce RTX 3050 Titan and the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H can handle just about anything you can throw at it. And even if it falls a bit short of the Zephyrus G15's Ryzen 9 5900HS, it doesn't do so by a whole lot. There is also the issue of battery life, with the Lenovo Legion 5 putting in a respectable showing but isn't quite best in class. For gamers who don't plan to spend too much time away from an outlet, this shouldn't be a problem. But based on our experience, you're not very likely to get through a cross-country flight with it unless you travel all fancy and have a charging outlet under your seat. The Legion 5 only makes it 6 hours and 29 minutes. The Legion 5 has proved us that it can absolutely go toe-to-toe with its better-known peers though. Worry not, I didn't forget the well-known name on the gaming community. 5th MSI coming with the MSI GE66 Razer 10UG211. The MSI GE66 Razer is a step up from an entry-level gaming laptops while not being quite at the most expensive end of the spectrum, packing in plenty of performance and power without veering out of the price range that most of us are likely to be able to afford. In some ways, it's the perfect balance of power and price. You get a spacious 15.6-inch display and top-tier specs that will run the best games at very respectable settings. And no doubt, it also is a great video editing tool. The MSI GE66 Razer 10th GU211 has lots of decent components up its sleeve. In fact, it keeps MSI's tradition to offering some of the best gaming laptops at great prices. The company's premium machines and some entry-level ones can sometimes outdo the competition on power and design. With the MSI GE66 Razer packing new tech and components, it looks like a company has managed to put together one of the best gaming powerhouses of the year. We're particularly interested in the 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 32GB of RAM, 1TB SSD, and an NVIDIA's RTX 3070 graphics card. This all comes at a price though. A not so high price considering the hardware packed inside, but it's out of the reach of many budget gamers. Also, that kind of specs will be an overkill for a lot of people. However, for the money, you're getting an incredibly powerful gaming laptop in a gorgeous design. While the MSI Razer certainly excels in many areas, one area that it struggles to impress is battery life. And that may not come as much of a surprise. With powerful components like the RTX 3070 graphics card, battery life is always going to be on the short side. The 94WHR 4-cell battery pack will last not more than 2 hours when gaming and around 5 to 6 hours on normal use, web browsing, listening to music, and creating documents. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave a like. And if you have a question about the products that we mentioned in this video, then don't hesitate to drop a comment down below and I will get back to you. Alright, see you on the next video. Peace out.